A superb part of presentation in the lecture gallery is we well remember the characters of who are on the dais and their presentations and their lectures. We every day listen and start doing work together in the system under supervision. This is how the terms and conditions are kind of say we don't know anything about the word, the phrase, and uh, literature, sahitya. Uh, that is a separate division, but reluctantly we have to study those in the entertainment atmosphere and very uh, developed mottos and aims. We are doing this, but we grabbed the jovialness and the comedy and the laughter and joy while reading uh, those proverbs which are not related to, but we have to study, we have to see movies, we have to struggle for the learning and in the entertainment way. That is the overall presentation of our lecture gallery in our system. I well remember the word which I told on those days, uh, very interesting and entertainment way. I, I thought I am a entertainment being. With me, the atmosphere changes. This type of personality developed on those days within us, and we are every day celebrating with that. This is a upgrading of our united work and system and supervision. So somehow we we, we caught in the literature, sahitya, and we presented in our way. But we know the honor and supreme of poetry, movies, cinemas, and literature, and we are struggling still because we want to learn the word which is you kind. It is not in the dictionary. It is not in the our system Greek and Latin studying. It is we learn that it is a behavior and a character of that supreme person, and we try to be like him. But the jovialness, the comedy, the laughter, it is not a momentary. It is a continuous. We are celebrating with that and we are enjoying with that. So every time we are started with that dose of laughter, and we don't know at that time we are moving, we are celebrating, and we are doing in the system. So those new words, we want to attain, we want to gain, we want to celebrate. we want to achieve. Our aim is to entertain everybody every day with that literature. Well, I remember the final word, the ultimate word. We learned those days, and with that, the total world changed. We remembered well. Further, no improvement in that department. We left literature and that department. We are with our system in under supervision, and we are studying again further. It is not a faculty of mind. It is not a lateral thinking, which while I am studying literature and watching movies and observing societies and systems, that word lateral thinking. With that, we stopped. I further noticed that it is not a literature, it is not a movies, it is not a words which are new words, and lateral thinking, which is again entertainment and using in the various faculties. So finally, as previously I remember I told, the system allows us to wander, to speak, to participate in the cultural programs, to see what is the ultimate thing. That is a program. We in the program we learned that one. That is the ultimate thing. We are with that. It is overall view of you. From thatness, those phrases, those words, those quotes, those inspirational quotes to the human being, to the mankind, to the world, we are again there after 2 or 3 days, I remember. So this is how we develop a passion, a compassion for to learn a new words, to create a good atmosphere in the world, in the surroundings. So we are with that.